The box contains the front wheel, front fork, fender, main frame, handle lock screw, handle T-cover, handle bar, parental handle, seat, rear basket, rear wheels assembly, parental handle connecting rod and footrest. Step 1. Push the rear wheels into the frame till they click to lock. Step 2. Insert the front wheel section to the main frame. Step 3. Connect the front handlebar section to the fork and tighten with screw. Step 4. Fix the seat to the main frame. Secure with screws. Step 5. Attach the rear basket. Secure with screws. Step 6. Insert the parental handle into the frame by inserting smaller part from below, inserting larger part from above. Connect the rod and tighten the screws. Step 7. Secure seat belt buckle into lock till it clicks and tightens. Adjust for security. Step 8. Connect footrest to the main frame. Secure with screws. Adjusting seat position. The seat can be adjusted into 3 positions. 2-in-1 removable parental handle enables the tricycle to be used with or without it. You are all set. Now your child can enjoy their ride.